Well, most of us spend a lot of time playing down on Broadway and playing covers, so it's fun to play original music full band style. Not that we don't like a lot of those songs, but get old after a little while. This next one, it's called Sound of Heaven. Actually, DT and AK and I, or Kira and Denver, however you know. Either way, it's the same flower by a different name, right? But we went to the same church. We were singing on the same choir, same worship team, and we had a night. It's kind of like one of those moments where, you know, sometimes people have like a near-death experience and it really gives them clarity, but we were praying together as a worship team and had a real Holy Spirit moment and kind of got a lot of clarity from that in life in general. It was kind of a pivotal moment for me and I think for them as well. So this one's called Sound of Heaven. It's about that time.
Trouble walk, I came to sanctify. Been running my whole life, wound up right where it began. Follow the sound of heaven, right to the promised land. I didn't start the fire, gotta live by someone else. I couldn't tell you about it, I hadn't felt it myself. Been running my whole life, wound up right where it began. Follow the sound of heaven, right to the promised land. But I'm not going back to put on a chain. Sometimes it's so damn high, seeing through the day. Catch a glimpse of the light that I'm running to. I got a choice to make. Let go of superstitions, can't leave it up to fate. Been running my whole life, wound up right where it began. Follow the sound of heaven, right to the promised land. But I'm not going back to put on a chain. Sometimes it's so
Yeah. I totally played the wrong riff at the end, but they caught on and we just did something else, so it's called jamming.